This is the Charcoal Chicken Appreciation Society.
And we're on a journey to find the best charcoal chicken.
In pursuit of the fattest feeds in Western Sydney. First stop on the journey, Lamono.
So how would you guys rate the meal?
Yes, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Had pretty good chicken.
I'd give it a 9 out of 10 and great tasting pickles.
I'd say about a 7.5. Chicken was really good, but the bread was a bit stale.
Next up, Awafi. Alright lads, so what are your thoughts on Awafi?
I thought Awafi, the chicken was really good and exceeded my expectations.
It was very tasty. I liked it very much and the pickles were great.
It's good to hear. Yeah, no, the chicken was great. It had good a zesty kind of seasoning. Yeah, one of the best chickens I'd say.
Final stop, El Jana.
So what were your thoughts on El Jannah?
To be honest, tonight was a bit of a letdown, but one of the highlights was the garlic, actually.
Joking?
Yeah, it was my least favourite out of the 3 chocolate chicken eateries. The chicken was a bit dry and the pickles, yeah, better left unsaid.
This is Boon Maroon from Awafi.
Joachim from Lamono.
And Matthew from El Jana. And we just want to say thank you for joining in for the Charcoal Chicken Appreciation Society.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share.
And we hope you make the decision to visit one of these places soon.
Come on, you Spurs.
Yo, no!